Falcherash to day 4 of Gaelmas, and I am back in my hoodie because I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear. Now I need to pop into town because I have something very exciting to collect. And this is all because ha mi fuur. Ha mi fuur. I am cold. So I just picked up something very exciting for my skin because my skin is just not good. So how cute is Brochan looking in raincoat? One thing that I do, I just have an urge to do, so maybe we will do that tomorrow, this weekend, I don't know, is practice making a Christmas trifle. Should we do that together? Should I just do that by myself? Please let me know because I don't want to bore you. Before I forget, somebody said we need to know how to say Nolach Chriel. Nolach Chriel, and that's Merry Christmas. So make sure to save this video, follow along to learn some more Scottish Gaelic, and let me know what you would like to see or hear next.